This is the THOR SQ for Square. It's an Android standalone smartwatch phone running Android 8.1. All the typical controls you find on a regular phone: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular connectivity, using T-Mobile SIM or AT&T GSM network. It goes right in here. You get your phone calling, messaging, everything. You've got all these different apps that come with it too. Your phone calling information, complete Android settings for the watch, regular browser, a sound recorder. You got 2 gigabytes of RAM, by the way, and 16 gigabytes of storage for all that stuff. Calendar, calculators, contacts, you name it. Music player, and of course you can install music or videos, whatever you'd like. Stopwatch that runs in the background, mind you. And not only that, you saw when you pull it down from the top, you've got the ability to do lap timing and whatever you want if you have it running. All of your information will stream right down here and give you direct access to everything. Google Maps, yep, it's supported. Google Files, of course. You got heart rate, you got blood oxygen on this one. You can set alarms, you name it. Really bright flashlight on this one. There's over 1,000 lums, 1,000 nits of illumination, there you go, for the screen. So really bright, full AMOLED screen display on this. Calculators, video players, your dial market if you want to add different watch faces to this one. It doesn't do the custom watch faces of standard Android watches that we've seen, but it does have its own dial market and a complete portfolio of really good dials as well. You got your step count. The camera's right here. Hello, everybody. Yep, it's me. Ha! And you can record video or take pictures. Google Play Store for downloading apps. It just goes on and on and on. It's a really, really nice Android standalone watch, like I mentioned. Ruggedized, built really, really well. Very unique overall design. Multiple different watch faces come stock in this one. There's just a bunch of them. Beautiful ones, and of course you can download from their Play Store or their Face Store different watch faces as well. It's called the THOR SQ. Yep, check it out.